I'm the London City Director for the Clinton Climate Initiative, which is now an integrated partner with a C40 group of cities, which is a group of 40 plus cities around the world that are committed to combating climate change. C40 cities, as I mentioned, are around the world. This is a really difficult map to read, so I'm not going to quiz you all on which cities are on here. But basically we have member cities regionally represented all around the world. We have 40 key cities, and then we have what are called affiliate cities. So we have a total of 56 cities that form a part of this organization. Basically, professional staff from the Clinton Climate Initiative support the C40 cities in 15 countries around the world. So we've selected certain cities where we are more present, and we have a partnership between the Clinton Climate Initiative and the C40 to support these cities. The chair of the C40 is New York Mayor Michael Bloomberg, and we have a 10-member city steering committee. London is on that steering committee. We also have other cities like Johannesburg and Jakarta, which are on the steering committee. The steering committee, in essence, determines our policy focus and direction for the organization. I think it's really important to understand a little bit about the history of the organization, because the structure is a little confusing, and that's partly because of our structure. So this timeline should hopefully explain some of this. In 2005, London founded what was then called the C20. It was under the former mayor of London, who really wanted to make a difference in climate change, and said, well, why don't some of the major cities get together and work on some of this together? In July 2006, London approached President Clinton, who had left office at that time, and said, look, we're starting this organization. Do you think your foundation can support us in our mission? He agreed, and then what happened was the C40 was born. So President Clinton helped the mayor at the time scale up to 40 cities that were representative of regions around the world. The C40 membership and governance was established in New York, and then in 2011, we've moved even further to closely working together. President Clinton and Mayor Bloomberg announced the integration of the C40 and the CCI cities. So we are in the process of formally merging our organizations, and soon we will become one combined entity, which will be primarily funded through Mayor Bloomberg's personal funds himself. So it's a very exciting time for us.